guys, I'm currently walking to Florence Academy of Art. Currently in Florence. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a vlog, but I'm taking a video right now. So I'll decide later. And I'll share a bit about the workshop. From the current apartment I'm in, it's a 53-minute walk. I decided to walk there today so I could see the city. I came here during junior of college for a workshop. No, not workshop. I came here for the study abroad, and yeah, I really love Florence, so I wanted to try coming back here for the classical painting workshop. I want to learn more traditional oil painting. Yeah, I'm excited for this.
So now I'm getting more mature, more great.
Di 25, 30, 50.
We're at the Pitti Palace Museum.
Like airport. I have some idea there.
I'm back home now, currently editing the video. It feels nice to feel that Portugal seems more like home now because I feel more peaceful here. So I'm going to quickly show the supplies that we've got because I noticed that I haven't put it in the video. So here are the acrylic paints. paints. These are for the imprimatura. So that's burnt sienna, yellow ochre, raw umber, and black. And for the white, use gesso, acrylic gesso. This is when you're painting with canvas. The base of the painting is different based on what kind of painting you want to do. So if you want to do more warmer colored, then you'll be adding more burnt sienna. Black, more black and white is more monochromatic, and a bunch of oil paints. Here are some of the brushes. I haven't really used the Bristol brushes because softer brushes blends better, so I'll probably be using more of these soft brushes. And for the oils, there's turpentine, there's stand oil, linseed oil, odorless thinner, and sedative oil. The odorless thinner we used in the beginning part, so I actually bought another one so I can use it when I'm starting a painting. I probably won't use turpentine because it's not good for breathing in the odor, so I'll be using more linseed oil and stuff. This is to put the oil, and this is just for cleaning the brush. We also got a moss stick, and it's portable because you can unscrew it in half. Really wanted one, so I'm really happy. Yeah. So currently, just my painting spot. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and hopefully I will post more. Bye!